Good morning. It's breakfast time for the feathered friends. Yeah. Are you the feathered friend? Yeah. Is it yummy? Yummy. Very yummy? Yeah. Is it very yummy? Ooh. Yum. Is it yummy? I think it is. It's not focusing on your face, Milo Teeny. Yeah. It wasn't focusing on your face, sweet boy. Okay, what is your brother doing over there? He's eating his blackberries. There's not a lot of options today. There's just some papaya, green apples, blackberries, and like one lonely grape. One lonely grape. Just want to show you guys my tree is up. It's so pretty. I love it. There we go. I have to do some Christmas wrapping. There's still some left. I changed up the picture frames on the wall to make them more Christmassy and blue. Yeah. Also, there's decorations on my fireplace, which I need to turn on. Because, you know, you gotta make it look cozy. There we go. And, of course, he flew right over because he's got nothing better to do but destroy things. What are you doing over there? I didn't ask you to go there, Milo. Come back. Come back. Come on. No, he's not going to listen. Come here. Milo. Sucker. It's just a little stick, okay? Come here. Milo. No. No touch. No touching this. I said no touching the Santa Claus. No touching it. No. You can kiss this little mug. Look. You can kiss this. The little chinny chin chin. Look, guys. I got this from Dubai. It's you, but a green. Green version of you. Green version. I love you. Do you want to kiss it? Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. You don't want to kiss it? Mwah! Why don't you want to kiss it? Silly boy. Why don't you want to kiss it? Okay. Let's focus on you. It doesn't want to focus on you. There we go. You want to kiss Chitty Chin Chin? Chitty Chin Chin. Over there. What do you think? Nope, he's going to get on top of those picture frames. Because he's up to no good. Are you up to no good? Milo, are you up to no good? I know you are. Up to no good. Don't do it. No. It's still snowing outside. You can see it? There we go. They want to see you in the picture frame. Hi, Teeny. Hi, Teeny. Telling everybody it snowed. Yeah. Want to go down there? The cars are covered. Oops, my fingers. Everything's covered in snow. Yeah, you like it? And my tree, which I love. Oh, the star's a little too heavy for it, so it just keeps flopping over, but that's okay. Look at all the bird ornaments I got, guys. Look, there's a little dove there. There's Hedwig from Harry Potter. There's more. Oh, another dove. Another dove. Look at that cute little scooter. Little snowman. Another dove. There's this wooden bird. There's this owl. I got a few of those. There's Milo bird. This little car. Look how cute that is. Come here, no one's coming anywhere. There's that little house. Another owl. And then just like the regular ornaments everywhere. The little baby there. Trying to see. Oh, there's a little cherub baby there. Anything else? Another owl. And Milo! Yay! And there's Kikito. I don't know where he's gone, but he's still sitting by the curtain somewhere. Where'd you go? Milo? There he is. Oh, he's gone behind. Where are you? There, he's just walking back and forth now. Where'd you go, Milo Teeny? What? Oh, there you are. What are you doing, silly boy? He's such a weirdo. What's he doing? What are you doing? Teeny, what are you doing? Come here? No.
Come here.
You come here.
Come here.
You come here, baby.
Come here, Parrot.
You come here, baby. You know how to use the charms, don't ya? You know how to use the charms. It ain't gonna work. Come here.
Come here.
Come here, baby. What are you doing? Are you watching the people outside? I like to people watch too, Milo. I do too. We're one and the same. Teeny. Teeny, do not climb the curtain. Ugh. What did he do? What are you doing? Do not climb the curtain, okay? No, come here. I know what. I know. Hey. And don't mess the tree, so come from that side, okay? What are you doing? He's such a weirdo. Okay, bye guys.